Hi there, my name is Iona and welcome to my channel. You want to subscribe so you can have access to all my content in one convenient place. Now, we all get busy with our daily lives, so you want to ring that notification button so you can be reminded of new content. Like and love my channel to help me grow, and be sure to leave a comment below if this video was helpful or if there's something you would like to see me do more of. So without any further delay, here we go, another round of mixed medium practice. The challenge for me is that I must have charcoal, pen and pencil in my art piece. I realized that it is very important, the pattern on the mask, because this is making the woman's face look like she might have a bit of a piggy bat face happening. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the process. Please leave a comment below if you liked it. Remember to subscribe for more content and ring that bell to get a reminder of new content. Just go ahead and do it anyway. And I will see you next Tuesday. Bye!